Hello, everybody. My name is Charlie Malone, and every week or so, I like to share a story, book, a poem that's special to me. Today, it's Thanksgiving. I'm having Thanksgiving with just my partner and her daughter. So it's very small, but I'm making sure that I talk to everybody, try to talk to everybody that I love, and stay in touch. And I hope you're having a nice Thanksgiving wherever you are. Um, I remember Thanksgivings as a kid going to my grandparents' house and enjoying them so much and feeling so safe and warm and happy. So today we're going to read a Thanksgiving is all about being thankful for the blessings in your life, the good things in your life. And this story it's called Giving Thanks, a Native American good morning message. And I just want to say before I start reading it, I want to read you the background of this message. It says, oops, didn't find it there. Author's note. The words in this book are based on the Thanksgiving address, an ancient message of peace and appreciation of Mother Earth and all her inhabitants. That means everybody that lives on Mother Earth. These words of thanks come to us from the native people known as the Haudenosaunee, also known as the Iroquois, of six nations: Mohawk, Oneida, Cayuga, Onondaga, Seneca, and Tuscarora. The people of the Six Nations are from upstate New York and Canada. These words are still spoken at ceremonial and governmental gatherings held by the Six Nations. So this is a message, a prayer, a story that the Iroquois people say at all important gatherings and celebrations and meetings. So, children, too, are taught to greet the world each morning by saying thank you to all living things. So I hope I can do my part as a teacher to teach you to say thank you to all living things when you wake up in the morning. They learn that according to Native American tradition, people everywhere are embraced as family. Our diversity, like all the wonders of nature, is truly a gift for which we are all thankful. So every morning when you wake up, say, rise up and shine. Thank you to everybody and the whole earth. Here it is. To be a human being is an honor, and we offer thanksgiving for all the gifts of life. Mother Earth, we thank you for giving us everything we need. Thank you, deep blue waters around Mother Earth, for you are the force that takes thirst away from all living things. We give thanks to green grasses that feel so good against our bare feet, for the cool beauty you bring to Mother Earth's floor. Thank you, good foods from Mother Earth, our life sustainers, for making us happy when we are hungry. Corn, beans, squash, fruits and berries, maybe some turkey. Fruits and berries, we thank you for your color and sweetness. We are all thankful to good medicine, herbs, for healing us when we are sick. Thank you, all the animals in the world, for keeping our precious forests clean. All the trees in the world, we are thankful for the shade and warmth you give us. Thank you, all the birds in the world, for singing your beautiful songs for all to enjoy. We give thanks to you, gentle four winds, for bringing clean air for us to breathe from the four directions: east, west, north, and south, from the head of the river to its mouth. Up, down, all around, climb a mountain, look around. East, west, north, and south, from the head of the river to its mouth. Up, down, all around, explore the world, find common ground. That's a little song that I like to sing with you folks. Thank you, Grandfather Thunder Beings, whoa, for for bringing rains to help all living things grow. Elder brother sun, we send thanks for shining your light and warming Mother Earth. Oh, look at those monarchs. They gotta go. They gotta go to Mexico. Thank you, Grandmother Moon, for growing full every month to light the darkness for children and sparkling waters. We give you thanks, twinkling stars, for making the night sky so beautiful and for sprinkling morning dewdrops on the plants. Spirit protectors of our past and present, we thank you for showing us ways to live in peace and harmony with one another. These are our ancestors, people that came before us, that went to the spirit world, like my grandmother and my grandfather, and also the superheroes of kindness today that show us the way. And most of all, thank you, Great Spirit, for giving us all these wonderful gifts so we will be happy and healthy every day and every night. Thank you for listening to this story. And happy Thanksgiving to everybody. And I want to send a special Thanksgiving to my children, Sylvia and Eddie, and my grandchildren, Jackson and Casey. Happy Thanksgiving.